Greetings from India. Namaste. Let us discuss about wearing Navratna gemstones. Navratna gemstones helps in healing various physical and mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, insomnia and stress. It is also believed to be beneficial for those who are struggling in their professional life. It enhances the career prospects and brings success and recognition in the workplace. Navratna jewelry is getting more attention these days because of its stylish looks and astrological benefits. If wearing astrological remedies, one can wear gemstones jewelry based their zodiac or horoscope, or wear a Navratna or Navagraha jewelry which encompasses 9 stones that represent the 9 planets. Navratna refers to the 9 gemstones related to the 9 planets used in Vedic astrology. The word Nava means 9 and Ratna means gem in the Sanskrit language. Navratnas are considered auspicious and believed to bring good health to whoever wears it. It symbolizes health, prosperity, happiness, and peace of mind. Also, it wards off negative energies and effects from planets while strengthens the positive influences of the gems. Navratna ornaments can come in the form of necklaces, rings, bracelets, anklets, pendants, bangles, armlets, and other trinkets. These are all extremely popular. Precious gemstones for the 9 planets. Here are the gemstones and their planetary representations. Ruby, Sun, Pearl, Moon, Red Coral, Mars, Emerald, Mercury, Yellow Sapphire, Jupiter, Diamond, Venus, Blue Sapphire, Saturn, Aconite, Rahu, the ascending lunar node. Cat's Ketu, the descending lunar node. It is also known fact that while the planets' positions keep on changing, so does the dosa and mahadoshas of the planets can be balanced by the positive and beneficial effects of the planets when wearing Navratna jewelry. Navratna ornaments can be worn by anyone and doesn't have any negative effects. It suits everyone regardless of their zodiac sign and can be worn even without the recommendation from an astrologer. The pieces you choose should preferably be made of gold or silver. This type of ornaments are believed to act as a protective shield against various diseases and danger. When only one astrological gemstone is worn, it tends to focus only on a particular planet or a specific problem. However, when Navratnas are worn, it carries the benefits of all nine planetary gemstones simultaneously. The jewelry can be made with precious gems or semi-precious stones. According to Sri Garuda Purana, when buying Navratnas or any gem really, one has to ensure that the stones being used in the ornament are flawless. To wear the rings the correct way, wear the blue sapphire gem representing Saturn pointing towards the body and on the ring finger. Women can wear the ring on the left ring finger, while males on the right ring finger. Can Navratna is believed to bring happiness, which belongs to nine planets. Yes, it is because the combination of nine gemstones representing the nine planets is believed to bring happiness, health, peace, and prosperity. These precious stones have been treasured for their beauty and rareness, as well as their spiritual and healing properties for centuries. However, as individual entities, each gemstone must be carefully prescribed to ensure positive effects on the wearer, as different stones may have varying impact according to Vedic astrology. If the sun's rays which fall on the gemstones turn as cosmic rays, come soon. In other videos, Navratnas are popular in most countries. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.